In this video, we will see how you can recover any deleted post on Instagram. The method is very simple, so make sure to like the video before we begin. First, open Instagram and go to the profile where you want to recover the deleted post. Then, tap on the three lines at the top. Scroll down a little, and you will find Your Activity. Tap to open it. Now, look for the option Recently Deleted and select it. Here, you will see all the posts you have deleted recently. Important: deleted posts stay here for a limited time. After that, they are permanently removed. If your post is no longer available here, you will need a different recovery method, which you can find on my YouTube channel. To restore a post, simply open it, tap on the three dots, and select Restore. Your post will be successfully recovered. If this video is helpful for you, don't forget to like it, subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next video.